Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Importantly, the app for usage is ready. And तो app येतकरूय after cabinet also with stakeholders we will present it. जे कोण फक्त उलोवन हे वाट लावंक सोदता ते म्हाका दिसता आमी टॉलरेट करचे ना. I think Chief Minister has been very clear and we are also very clear. वयरचो जो ब्लंडर जाला वास्कोचो, we cannot afford another blunder. हे लोक आज ज्या तरेन तांणी पयर केला ह्या इन्स्टन्सान आमकां कितलो डॅमेज जाला तो तांकां कळपा जाय. ही शीप आयली ताजे एक्सपिरियन्स कितें दिलें तें सगळ्या जगान पळोवन जालें. Word of mouth has already gone bad. Embassies and other people who have been talking to, we have been clarifying what the position is, and we need to ensure that such things do not happen. Simultaneously, the app coming will give a smooth flow, and वो app तांचोच app आसतलो आनी कोणाचो न्ही. तांकां पयलीं खंयचो app आयलो प्रायवेट म्हणटाले, वो तांचोच app. आतां कोण तरी म्हणटा पॉयंट टू पॉयंट नवे चिंतून म्हाका सर रातचे चिंतता सगळ्यांक प्रेस स्टेटमेंट दिता. वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर. फेलो हू वॉन्ट्स टू वर्क, वी आर विथ हिम.